Whoever loves Allah sees everything as beautiful. Do not worship Allah to receive, but worship Him to please Him, for if He is pleased, He will amaze you with His gifts. Whoever acts upon what he knows, Allah will grant him knowledge of what he does not know. He who fears Allah, Allah will make everything fear him, and he who fears people, Allah will make him fear everything. Pleasing people is an unattainable goal, but pleasing Allah is an unmeetable goal. So, leave what is unattainable and pursue what is unmeetable. Do not look at the smallness of the sin, but look at the greatness of disobedience. Perhaps a sin that brings about humility and brokenness is better than an act of obedience that brings about pride and arrogance. Do not be deceived by someone who recites the Quran. Indeed, it is a speech we speak, but look at who acts upon it. Contentment is Allah's greatest gate, the paradise of this world, and the garden of the enlightened. The people of paradise do not regret anything except an hour in which they did not remember Allah.